እንኳን ለአዲስ ዓመት በጤና በሰላም ማገናኘን። Welcome guys, this is Maraki English with Abby. የደስታ አዲስ ዓመት At the stroke of midnight ስትል ልክ ቡም ሲል ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው። እንቁጣጣሽ ሞሊድ የወዛደሮች ወይም ደግሞ የለማደር ቀን ስታይል Maraki English with Abby እናንተን ለማስተማር መቼ እንቅልፍ የማይተኛው ዛሬ ከበዓል ጋር የተገናኙ አሪፍ ትምህርቶች ላዘጋጃችሁ መጥቷል። Before I start the video እንኳን አደረሳችሁ ማለት ፈልጋለሁ። ፈታበል What's up so how you doing my man?
What's up my man?
እንዴት ነህ?
እግዚአብሔር ይመስገን።
እንኳን አደረሰ።
እንኳን አብሮ አደረሰ።
እንዴት ነበር በአመቱ ያለፈው አመት?
Half happy half sad.
Yeah, that's how it is.
Yeah.
The right thing is to always find the balance.
Yeah.
If you're too happy, it's not good. If it's too sad, it's not good.
Yeah.
So it's always nice to find the balance.
Yeah.
Anyway, Solina, ዛሬ ምርጥ የሆነ ከሆሊዴይ ጋር የተገናኘ የምታውቀውን ኢንትረስቲንግ በሆነ መልኩ አቀርብልህ ተዘጋጅቻለሁ። እናንተም በቃ ከኛ ጋር አብራችሁ ቆዩ። I got you. So, this is a new year. Usually, ፈረንጆች ኒው ይራቸውና ምናቸው ነው የሚገጥመው? ክሪስማሳቸው ይገጥማል አይደል? So, Happy New Year and
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Usually ብዙ ጊዜ ሰላም ስትል እንደዚህ አይነት ስሜት ስትገልጽ Happy New Year and Merry Christmas ብለህ ነው መግለጽ የምትችለው ማለት ነው. You know what I mean? So you can't say one. Usually they say it both together. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
ለምንድን ነው ግን Happy New Year ካልክ ፋንታ Happy Christmas የማይባለው?
I don't know.
አታውቅማ? እኔ ማለት
like the point of like Happy New Year ሲሆን
የደስታ አዲስ ዓመት
የደስታ አዲስ ዓመት ነው like ይሩን ነው Happy Birthday እንደሚባለው
Happy Birthday አንተ በጣም አሪፍ ነው። ኦኬ እሺ
like ሲመስለኝ እንደዛ ነገር
መልካም የትውልድ ቀን ማለት ነው። Birthday ማለት birth ማለት ውልድ to መውለድ
መልካም አዲስ ዓመት ነው። ይሄኛው ደግሞ
ያኛው ደግሞ መልካም የትውልድ ቀን ነው።
የትውልድ ቀን
መልካም
birthday
ክሪስማስ ባይሆንስ እንዴት ነው? መልካም
ክሪስማስ ሳይሆን እኮ like Merry Christmas የሚሆነው ሴንት ሜሪ ምናምን I don't know ብቻ
ስለሆነ ነው
like ስቶሪ አለው መሰለኝ ከሳንታ ክሎስ ጋር ምናምን የተገናኘ ነገር ስላለው
ሶ በጣም አሪፍ ምን እንደሆነ ታውቃለህ? I really don't know. Anyways, happy እንላለን ብዙ ጊዜ happy ምናምን happy Easter happy ምናምን እንላለን. But Christmas ሲሆን ምን ታል? Merry Christmas ነው። I don't know why. እስኪ እናንተ እነሱን ደግሞ ለኔ ንገሩኝ። እኔ ብቻ እንግዲህ ማስተምራችሁ እናንተ አስተምሩኝ እስኪ። ለምንድን ነው Happy New Year ምንለው ግን Merry Christmas ምንለው? ካወቃችሁ አሳውቁኝ down in the comments. Okay, so ብዙ ጊዜ ክሪስማስ የሚጀምረው ምን ላይ ነው? midnight ነው። mid ማለት መሀከል ነው አይደል? ብዙ ጊዜ mid September ካልኩም ለማለት ፈልጌ ነው።
የሴፕቴምበር
ግማሽ mid semester ይባላል።
የሴሚስተሩ ግማሽ
good mid age ይባላል።
የእድሜህ ግማሽ
middle age ምናምን ያለ ማለት ይችላል። anyways mid ላይ ነው የሚጀምረው እና እሷን ምን እናታለን? eve እናታለን። eve ማለት ነው evening አይደል? evening evening ማለት ምሽት ማለት ነው። so eve of ብለህ ስታወራ የእንትን ሌሊት የእንትን ምሽት ያልክ ማለት ነው የምትችለው ማለት ነው። so usually celebrate የምናደርገው እኛ ወይም everywhere at the eve of the holiday, no? We have even some holidays that we get up in the middle of the night and eat, go back to bed, wake up in the morning, eat again. I don't know. Is it for Easter? What is it for? Fasika is what's Fasika? Easter.
Is
it for Easter? No. Easter, what is it for? Fasika. Fasika Easter, no Easter Fasika. No. Nah, yeah. So, what do you do at the eve of the Easter? Yeah.
What do you do?
Yeah. Do you get up and eat?
Obviously.
Really? Yeah. Okay. Do you fast?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's nice. What about at the eve of New Year?
Maybe if there is a concert, I'll go in there.
Oh, okay. What's the one concert that you never forget?
Oh, like I don't remember where was the year, but like there was a concert in the Millennium Hall.
Okay.
And I got the chance to get in the VVIP.
Really?
Yeah.
How did you do that?
That was long process. That was long story. And like I get in a VIP. That was like unforgettable. You know, like everything is fancy.
You feel like you're the king.
Actually, like I was sitting like like side with the prime minister. Like yeah, but like you'll see him in the glass.
Oh, through the glass. There's a protective glass.
Yeah, protective glass.
Bulletproof glass.
Yeah, I don't know. Like I don't know.
It is a bulletproof glass if it's the president.
But like yeah.
The glass is not just. He's not. You don't put him in the glass for gates. No, it's for protection. It's a bulletproof glass. So you saw him through the bulletproof glass. How did you get this chance, though?
That was a long process.
All right, man. Long story short. Anyways, in the Zayn negociation, how did you pull that off with the child? Pull it off, Mas.
Pull that off.
Migam negar stasaka. He pulled it off. Kalk. Despite it being difficult, so he pulled it off. He did it greatly. So how did you pull that off? Anyway, the question was, what was the best concert you've ever been? Actually, like for me, I'm not a concert guy, and I haven't been to any concerts my whole life. 0 concerts. But I like to enjoy, but I just never had the chance. The question is for you guys. When was the best concert you've ever been to? And tell me about how you found it. What was the best part? Let me know about that a little bit. Okay, so usually Eve ሲመጣ ለሊት ላይ እነሱና ፈረንጆች እናደርጋሉ ካየክ
countdown.
They count down.
Yeah.
Countdown ማለት ነው መቁጠር አይደል? They see the time. ልክ አዲስ ዓመት የሚገባበትን ሰዓት እኛም ሀገር እኮ ደግሞ አይቀርብንም። ይባልና አጠገብ ያለውን ሰው ይዘህ ከንፈሩን ድብን ያረጋሉ they kiss እንግዲህ በዚህ ዓመት እንግዲህ ተዘጋጁ ሊፕስቲክሽን ተቀቢና ሁልሽም በተለይ አሜሪካ የምኖሩ ሰዎች enjoy the time anyways count down ማለት መቁጠር ማለት ነው እቺኛውን ኤክስፕሬሽን ሌላ ነገር እንጠቀምበታለን ለአሪፍ ነገር ማለት ነው አንድ ነገር ስትጓጓ እንደዚህ የሚሆንበትን ቀን እየቆጠርኩኝ ነው ትለኛለህ አይደለ ስለዚህ ምን ትለኛለህ I am እየቆጠርኩኝ ነው አይደለ I'm counting I'm counting down ወደ ታች ስምንት ምናምን ምን the days ብለህ ታወራለህ ከዛ ይትቀጥላለህ ማለት ነው ለምሳሌ እኔ I was counting down the days I buy a camera right so and then I bought the camera እንደዚህ ጽድት ብሎ የምታዩት በአዲስ ካሜራ ነው So I'm counting down the days. But then I come to chat. Let's give him the note. Let me tell you about the song. I know what he needs. He's counting down the days he has his own studio. I think. This is my feeling. He's counting down the days he gets monetized on YouTube and start making money like some people. He's counting down the days he buys the car, right? Yeah, so he's counting down the days for all this. Hello? We never know. Anyways, but I'm counting down the days. I'm counting down the days. Alright? So, counting down the days, right? Because at the stroke of midnight ይላል እቺ ቃል እናወራበት ፈልጋል stroke soul artist ነው so stroke የሚለው ቃል somehow similar የሆነ concept አለ ከዚህ በፊትም ታውቀው ቃል what's a stroke
like if you use brush like when you paint stroke like when you paint if you use like rough paint that's a stroke
okay and this is the edge movement to edge movement hatching name okay anyway stroke march mesela somehow similar no so stroke march no መጀመሪያ strike ከሚለው ቃል ጋር ይመጣል strike verb ነው መምታት ማለት ነው
yeah
so I struck her it was a very strong stroke ገብቷል
yeah
stroke noun ነው okay
yeah
it was a very strong stroke I strike her right 3 strokes ለመጠቀም ትችላለህ 3 ድም ያልክ ነው ማለት ነው right so ከሌላ መስመር ምን ይባላል አንድ መስመር ስታሰምር ምናምን በፔይንቲንግ ስትሮክ ይባላል right አንዷ ብቻ ማለት ነው so ሌላ so መስመር ከሆነች እዚህ ጋር ልክ ሚድናይት ሲሆን ስል መስመሯን ከመስመሯ ጋር ኮንሰፕቱ በተወሰነ ይገናኛል። ስለዚህ ምን ይባል at the stroke of midnight ስትል ልክ ቡም ሲል ነው የሚሆነው ማለት ነው።
ልክ 6 ላይ ማለት
ነው ሲሆን ማለት ነው። ሰውየው he became a millionaire at the stroke of luck ካልኩ ምን ለማለት ፈልጌ ነው?
የድሉን መሃል ላይ
በቃ ልክ እንዳጋጣሚ የድሉ ሆኖ at the stroke of luck ለመጠቀም ትችላለህ ማለት ነው። right okay what the government did is a stroke of genius ካልኩ ምን ለማለት ፈልጌ ነው? What the government did is just an example. I don't have any political stance. So what the government did was a stroke of genius ካልኩ ምን ለማለት ፈልጌ ነው?
በቃ
ድንገት ማለት ብልጫለት ምን genius መሆን ማለት ነው። right it was a stroke of genius ካላችሁ ድንገት የመጣ ብዙ ጊዜ የማይገኝ ልቀት ያምሮ ልቀት ሲመጣ at the stroke of genius ብለህ መጠቀም ትችላለህ። anyways at the stroke of midnight ምን ይጀምራል? ምን ታያለህ?
counting down.
yeah you count down and then rocket ያለው ጦር ሜዳ ነው። ምንድነው የሚባለው ይሄ? fireworks ይባላል። fireworks
I know firework company.
A company fireworks actually DreamWorks ምናምን ከሚውስ ጋር I think a movie production company.
No. Cleaning
service. Is it here?
Yeah.
Oh okay.
There is a branch also in America.
Yeah, okay. Nice. Okay. Let's keep fireworks ማለት ነው? ርችት ማለት ነው. All right. Let's keep remember about the first day, the very first time you had a girlfriend. Okay? So the first time you kissed somebody, in your brain, you saw fireworks. Yeah, you're new to it. You're shaking. I don't know how you felt. I don't know how you felt. Anyways, I saw fireworks in your eyes. ምናምን ያላችሁ ለማዳነቅም ተጠቀሙበታላችሁ. Anyways, ምን ይላል? ርችት ተተኮሰ ለማለት ሲባል there are fireworks ይባላል ማለት ነው. Even in Ethiopia for Christmas there is fireworks in Sheraton Addis, right?
How can you forget? Like before, I don't know, 10 years ago. Do you remember the New Year?
Yeah, you go out.
You go out. Fire.
And then you see fireworks. Yeah. It's so nice. Do you like fireworks?
When they down, like we'll get in.
you go in.
You go at home.
Yeah, sometimes it's so far from where you live.
Yeah.
You go to a different neighborhood to get a to get a better look. You go to, but I live in heart of the city. I'm almost there.
My God.
Yeah. Like, I light the firework, man. Anyways, do you like fireworks? You have special feelings for them?
I don't have that much, but like it's normal.
Cool, nice. Because that fireworks ይመጣል ከዛ ማድረግ ይጀምራል
celebration.
Celebrate ማድረግ ይጀምራል ማክበር ይጀምራል ማለት ነው. So where do you celebrate New Year?
At home.
Really? With your family?
Yeah, with my family.
Good. Do you do works on the day of how do you celebrate it?
Mostly, when you stay at home, like you'll change your clothes.
You wear you get fresh.
You wear white. You wear like traditional clothes.
Really? Do you?
Yeah, I do.
I'm sorry for not wearing traditional clothes, guys. I swear to you, I planned it, but I didn't have enough time to go and get it. Next video, maybe, but the next video was going to be after this, so. No next video. Next video probably. I'm sorry, guys. Yeah. Okay, so.
And I'll serve the guests.
No, you have guests that coming over to your house.
Yeah, like families, relatives.
Okay.
They came at like a guest at home. So
okay.
I'll serve them.
And he will serve his relatives. Serve ማለት ማስተናገድ ማለት ነው. Okay.
Yeah, and like we eat.
You eat, you drink, but there is one thing that we don't do.
I watch a television program for a holiday program.
Good. So your parents probably drink, right?
Yeah.
Right? Allah ምናምን ከዛም ይላሉ ምን ይላሉ?
Cheers
ይላሉ ፒም ያደርጋሉ። Cheers በደንብ ይባላል። እኛም ሀገር ግን አንድ ነገር የማናደርገው ነገር የለም። Toast. We don't make a toast. Do you know what making a toast mean?
Toast እኔ የማውቀው ያኛውን toast bread toast
መጥበስ ምናምን ሊሆን ይችላል. Roast toast, some similar. So toast. To make a toast means to make a speech. ምን ፊልም ላይ ምናምን ካየህ ዳስ ማያዘትና ያደርጉና I'd like to make a toast ይሉላል. ከዛ he's a good friend. He's ምናምን መጠቀም ትችላለህ ማለት ነው. So ተናገር ለማለት ስትፈልጉ make a toast መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው. Right? So you make a toast. Have you ever made a toast?
No.
Okay. Imagine, እኔ celebrate ያደረኩኝ ነው. 1 million subscriber ገብቶልኝ የሚገርም party set አድርጌ we're drinking like I have my close friends and family and you want to make a toast dun 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 አረግሽ እሺ በል ልስማ ቶስትሽ
okay you know I know Abby from this what I remember and he's hard worker and just I learned a lot from him just he's a real teacher that's why he's passionate that's why he's achieved this big dream it's not easy if you never know failure you'll never know success yeah okay. So he's a big role model for me. Thank you, Abby.
Okay. Let's raise our glasses for more right?
Let's raise our glasses for
more success. More success. No. Oh, or let's raise our glass for hard work.
Yeah.
Let's raise our glasses for stronger family for achievement yeah this متقم تعالش ما أتركز I never expected this بدأنا بالشالو ماس so New Year like يمي بالله قرالله بامارينيا New Year like من مسات أو toast مننا بامارينيا
like should I say it in English
بامارينيا
ከዘመን ዘመን ያሸጋግራችሁ በሰላም በጤና በጸጋ
የምን ምናምን ይውጣ ይባል የምን ይውጣ
የገንፎ ድስት ይግባ የገንፎ ድስት ይውጣ የጎመን ድስት ይግባ
እስኪ በእንግሊዘኛ ይጭ
oh my god ገንፎ I don't know the vocabulary
never mind በእንግሊዘኛ እንደዚህ ይባል ነገር አለ ምን ያለ እዚህ ጋር
out with the old
and in with the new good ምን ያለ ነው out with the old
የድሮ ነገር ይውጣና አዲስ ይግባ
very good የድሮ ሐሳብ ይውጣ የድሮ መባላት መጨቃጨቅ ይውጣ እና አዲስ ሐሳብ ይምጣ የሚለውን ሐሳብ ነው ያለው so Maraki English with Abby out with the old and in with the new ያለ መልካም አዲስ ዓመት እንዲሆንላችሁ እመኝላችኋል በሚቀጥለው ክላስ New Year ላይ ነው የምንቆየው thank you very much for staying in guys come on you had fun right so subscribe like and share voila that's good wow.